Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Baking soda is a versatile cleaning agent that can effectively remove old stains, especially on fabrics. To tackle tough stains, create a paste using baking soda and water. Apply it directly to the stain, and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Afterward, gently scrub the area and wash as usual. This method works well for organic stains like food, sweat, or oil. However, for more stubborn stains, combining baking soda with other substances like vinegar or hydrogen peroxide might be necessary. Always test on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure fabric safety.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.